Let's talk about circumcision. You're gonna cry, you're gonna feel as if somebody is stabbing you in your soul because you just gave birth to this innocent baby and somebody is just chuku the baby. After chuku, they are dissecting. Hello SS fam, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? It's been a while. I hope you all are doing great. This is a requested video. I am really sorry that it took me forever to make this video. I know it's been a while since you requested this video. Please, I really apologize. Life happened. So let's not waste time. And I am making this video at night. This is actually like I just finished making one video for someone which is past 3. Now the time is past 4 or to 5, so my kids are sleeping. Before we say anything further, are you just seeing this face for the very first time? Oh my word, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't just click and stop there. Please hit on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that each time we upload a video you will never miss our future upload. Join the family. We are fun to join. We roll in love, we roll in everything good, so join us. Thank you so much for joining.
Rolling loyalty and harmony, we are the SS family. Rolling loyalty and harmony, we are the SS family.
Alright, now we're going to be talking about circumcision. Yes, you heard me right. That is the video we're going to be doing today, and it's a requested video. Despite the fact that I am a mom of 2 boys, I am also a nurse, and I have been opportune or privileged enough to assist a doctor carry out the procedure, watch the procedure, see it be carried out, and also they have also done it for my 2 boys. So there's nothing strange about this topic. So let's talk about it. Circumcision. What do you know or understand by circumcision? You know, in this channel we really go low about it so that even any trader, anybody that come across the video will be able to understand the message I'm trying to pass. Circumcision is the process of removing the foreskin. What do we mean by that? It's just like this. For example, now let's say this is a baby. Let's not laugh. Let's say this is the baby deco. Let's call it deco. We just have to call it deco. There are some words that are not allowed on YouTube. Children used to play with that name deco, so I will just choose that deco. So we are talking about pen. You understand, right? So let's say this is the baby deco. When you give birth to a baby, and this is the baby deco. So circumcision is the process of removing the foreskin, which means we have different layer. So this is the cap of the deco. So the first layer, like this. So you see this top like this, the testes and the rest body will not be touched. So you just like kind of peel it. Yeah, peel this first layer like that. See, this is the process of circumcision, just like that. Peeling out the first layer on top like this, the cap, just the process of taking care of the cap, just peeling it out like that, then clipping it off. So that is when you hear foreskin, blah blah blah. That is what it's all about. Sorry, let me clean my hand. You guys understand now. So let's talk about it in detail so you guys understand it more. So when I was in Nigeria, the Nigerian method of circumcision is different from the abroad method of circumcision. So, and another thing you don't know is my uncle's wife stayed in our house, and she also is the mother of 2 boys. So I also saw those 2 boys go through the procedure, and I also saw our last born go through the procedure. I've seen a couple. The difference between the Nigeria own and the abroad own is when the procedure is being carried out in Africa, after the peeling and all that, they kind of wrap it up with gauze. That is the one I don't like. So because during the process of healing, and you are still wearing, you cannot wear diaper. In the Nigeria own, you can't wear diaper for the child anymore. You literally got to expose the child so that the area will not be glued to the diaper each time you wear diaper for the baby or cover the baby with cloth. I know in Nigeria, after the procedure, or when I saw my uncle's children, they just brought them home without gauze on it like that. What we apply, yes, what I saw my grandma and everybody apply for my uncle's sons was engine oil. Engine oil is what they apply after the procedure is being done. My grandma is so experienced in her own native way. As soon as they bring the children from the hospital, she's like, okay, that gauze, that gauze or cotton wool that was used to wrap it, please, they should take it out. She doesn't like it because when you leave that one on, you start applying the engine oil on it, it makes the place look soft, lubricated, like it moisturizes the place off. You know, because the gauze has been applied, it leaves it dry and all that. But when they apply that engine oil, it moisturizes the place. It makes it soft. So once it is soft, what my grandmother normally do is that day, as they are coming back from hospital, she applied that engine oil, then she unravel the gauze and take it out. They will not be using any diaper or anything. In 3 days, boom, they will be healed. That's the way my grandma were going about it. When they come back from the hospital with the gauze that was wrapped around it, she just basically said she needed gauze out, because I have seen a situation whereby they left that gauze in it. After days, the thing was not sticky, and the nurses and doctors in the hospital will be like, don't touch it when you get home, or when the thing heals, that thing will fall off on its own. Upe, the thing glued to it. I think because the mother was not lubricating it. The mother was not moisturizing it, not putting anything. She just left it like that, and the gauze now glued to the thing. After the wound healing, the process of taking that one out further injured the child again. So please, if you're in Nigeria, after that process, I don't know, since I've left Nigeria, I don't know if they still put that gauze or cotton board method, if they still do that after this thing. They just use that one to wrap it. I don't know if they still do it, but if they still do it, if they still practice it, once you get home, it's advisable that you unravel it, like you remove it, then you apply Vaseline. Yes, you apply Vaseline. That is the Nigerian method. And when I came here and I realized that the method and the procedure was different. With my first son, when I got there, the doctor got a scissors and just go direct like this. Got a scissors, go direct like you see this. Just make an incision here at the tip, just like that, small incision, then open it like wide, then just like that. For my second son this time around, when we were coming, the guy was like, we should come with our own sugar. So when we got there, he has not tested any sugar before. All I was giving him was just breast, no water. You all know that I did exclusive breastfeeding. So he shoved the sugar down the guy's throat, gave the baby sugar. But for my first son, he didn't do that. It's the same guy that did Ryan's son, that did Kian's son. After that, before he made the incision, you know, he has to numb the area. He numbed the area with Zaloke, then syringe it, numb, give the injection. After that, the place, you see some blood and all that. The baby is already crying. I'm already crying. My soul is already scattering. If you are saying, oh, as a mother, how are you going to, man, you're going to cry. You're going to feel as if somebody is stabbing you in your soul, because you just gave birth to this innocent baby and somebody is just chuku the baby. After chuki, they are dissecting. Yes, prepare your mind. You have to prepare your brain. But me, I like to see it. Me, when I will become husband, I'm like, you still going to cry again this second one. I thought you would not. The feeling not the change. If I want to give birth to a third son again, I will still cry. Fourth son, I will cry. 100th son, I will still cry, because it's a pain. You see the baby, they'll be crying aggressively because it's painful. So prepare your mind. The baby will cry. You will cry too. So at the end of the day, it's worth it. Circumcision is worth it. You see that the cap will look beautiful. That's the difference between the person that is circumcised and the one that is not circumcised. And just like that, when they are done opening it wide, there is something that looks like a ring. Yeah, it's the circumcision band. Yeah, so the circumcision band look like a ring. They just literally wear it, or they just wear it down like something like this. So they just, after the incision has been made, they place it like this and boom, just tie it. It's like a circumcision band. Just wear the circumcision band, boom, they are done. You can wear the baby, and they will put they will lubricate the area with lots of Vaseline, pack Vaseline, all the whole Vaseline. Put on diaper for your baby. And once you get home after the procedure, when you get home and your baby have temperature, all you need to do is give the baby Tylenol. If you're in Nigeria, you give them paracetamol. if their temperature is elevated because of the stress, because of the crying and all that. Oyibo's own is different because of that band you just put. You can wear diaper for your baby, and their temperature will not even be elevated. So you clean them normally with your wipe. When you wipe their bum, you just leave that area alone. All you need to do about that area is always constantly put Vaseline. Yes, be generous with the Vaseline. Just pack it. Like me, I use the press one. I don't want to touch the place, so you don't want to contaminate the area. So I just press the Vaseline around the cap where the procedure was carried out. Just put the Vaseline, wear the diaper back. It's not like the one I experienced in Nigeria where you have to expose the child. You will not put on diaper for the child, and which is not our fault, because if you put the diaper, the baby will start crying because it hurts. They don't put, as I told you I was in Nigeria, they don't use that circumcision band. They use gauze. So this circumcision band is better. During the process of healing, as you keep moisturizing the area with Vaseline, like 3 days later, after 2 days, you will see shifting. You see the thing, it look like a ring, round, like rubber kind of. So you see it starts shifting, and don't touch it. Don't force it. Don't try and remove it at any point by yourself. Please, the thing will by itself, on its own, at its own time and pace, fall off. You heard me? Don't touch. All you need to do is always put Vaseline if you are here. But if you are in Nigeria, still use Vaseline. There's Vaseline everywhere. Just lubricate it all the time. Once you return from the hospital and they still have that gauze method, put lots of lubricant. Put lots of lubricant. Like try and moisturize it. Put lots of Vaseline and moisturize the area. Then try and gently remove that gauze, because once that gauze stick to it and dry to it, it will be another process for you to go and start using hot water to press it before you'll be able to remove it, and to definitely leave a little injury on the baby's head. There's a lot of children's own in Nigeria is not always looking smooth and fresh because of that gauze, because of the wearing of that gauze. That's why it's not always looking fresh and neat. But here abroad own, because of that band, that circumcision band they normally wear, it just go on its own. That's why you see that abroad own is different. And once the ring is eventually out, you will see that everywhere will be smooth and beautiful. There will be no bump, no sore, nothing, no injury. Once everything is done, you see that the cap is different now. It looks beautiful, like something has been shaped out of that place, and it has the ring line, that circumcision line that was given to it. So it's beautiful, and it's good for you to carry out the circumcision procedure at a very early age. Like I did it for Kenyan when Kenyan was 3 days or 1 month. Yeah, it was not up to 1 month, 2 weeks. Yeah. Do it when your child is like 3 days old, 1 week old, 2 weeks old, 1 month. You should not be more than that. Should not be more than that. 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. But after that, it should not be more than that, so that they will not have the sense of pain yet. That's why you see that we Nigerians, as soon as they give birth to us, they just pierce our ear, boom, boom, because our parents are trying to help us so that we will not be aware of the pain, so we will not have the knowledge of pain, excruciating pain and all that, so you will not have the memory. So that's it. Do it early for your child. I always do it early for my children. It has never passed 1 month. It's simple. So when you bathe the baby, you bathe the baby normally, but you are wise now. When you are bathing the baby, you know that place is sore, so you're not going to start sponging it or anything. No, but when you bathe the baby, you just clean the area gently with warm water. You don't go and start pressing it to make the baby feel comfortable. You use wisdom. You don't touch, you don't press. Just keep moisturizing the place with Vaseline until after 3 days you see that the ring is moving, or the circumcision band is moving on its own. Sometimes it fall off within 2 to 3 days. It's not long. So you see, in 3 days time, boom, everything will eventually come out on its own. You see it in the baby's diaper. Healing, all healed. That is just it. It's a simple procedure. So you know when to do it now. You know how the procedure goes. So if there's any other thing that I did not hammer on, please leave your comment in the comment section so that the requester will be able to read through the comments and benefit from everybody in the comment section, please. And if there's anything you need to add it up in the comment section. What do you think about the video? What other video do you guys want me to make for you? Guys, keep requesting and I will keep delivering, even if there is a little bit of delay. Delay will not always come at all times. Just keep requesting the type of video you want to see. Your girl will do it. I love you all. You guys know that. You guys are the real MVP SS fam. Thank you so much. I hope you find this circumcision explanation helpful, and I am sorry I brought the video out so late. Please like up the video, share the video if you find the video helpful. Thank you so much for always watching our video. If you are not yet subscribed and you have watched to this extent, what are you waiting for? You see, your girl didn't sleep. This is almost to 5 now. I have to make this video and my kids are sleeping, and if I was not loud, my usual loud self, please, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. I'm out.